BioGeme is now a Python package. Therefore, in order to run BioGeme, you first need to install Python. In this video, we will show how to install the Anaconda version of Python. We first go to the Anaconda webpage and we select the distribution for Python 3.7 using the 64-bit graphical installer. Once Anaconda has been downloaded, it is relatively straightforward to install it. You just follow the instructions on the screen. Once Anaconda is installed, we need to open a terminal in order to install BioGeme. We go to the applications, the utilities, and the terminal. And at the prompt, we type pip install BioGeme. And that's it. BioGeme is installed on the computer. Now we need to use the Anaconda Navigator. We go back to the list of applications and we select the Anaconda Navigator. We recommend to use the Jupyter Notebook tool in order to use Python and BioGeme. Let's launch it. Jupyter Notebook is a web-based interface in order to run Python scripts. Let's open a new Python script by clicking New Python 3. Let's give it a title. Check if BioGeme is installed. Jupyter Notebook is organized into cells. A cell can be either a command or a Python script. So right now the first cell is a Python script because we see IN, which stands for input. We can turn it into a command line by choosing Markdown in this menu. Whenever you are done with a cell, you need to type Shift Return in order to acknowledge that you are finished, and it is then processed. So now the first cell is now a command. In the second cell, which is a Python cell, we will first import BioGeme. Import BioGeme. It does not complain, so it looks like BioGeme is correctly installed. In order to check that, we will print the version of BioGeme. To do so, we need to import the version package of BioGeme. We use here a syntax of Python that allows us to define a shortcut. So biogeme.version can be used in the rest of the command by using ver instead. When I type ver dot and the tab key, I get a list of potential functions that I can actually call from ver. In this case, I would like to get the text that will describe the version of BioGeme. And we can see that actually BioGeme is correctly installed. Note that printing the version of BioGeme is useful only here to check that BioGeme is correctly installed. You will probably never use this command again in future usage of BioGeme. Instead, I suggest you to proceed into tutorials on Python, Jupyter Notebook, and BioGeme in order to get started.